Hi there and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn and in today's video I will be showing you how to operate your automatic high beams on your Toyota. This feature can be efficient and helpful for nighttime driving as it can detect when you are approaching other vehicles and automatically dim and brighten your high beams to allow safe driving for both parties. The icon for the automatic high beams looks like this. It shows up as a blue symbol on the dash, typically beside the other headlight icons. In some older models, when you activate the high beams by pushing the light stalk forward towards the dash, the high beams were automatic already. The blue symbol would show up somewhere at the top of the front screen. Now, in most newer models, there's a button typically to the left of your steering wheel that you must select on to engage the automatic feature after you have activated your high beams. Ensure the vehicle is on before clicking the button. You will see a green light appear on the button so you know the feature's engaged, and there's also a prompt that appears on the multi-information display. Please note that the high beam still must be manually activated by pushing the light stalk forward. It is then that the automatic feature for the high beams will be engaged and the blue symbol will appear on the front display. The purpose of the button is to allow drivers the choice of having automatic high beams or manual high beams. If you would rather manually dim and brighten the high beams, simply ensure that the automatic high beam button is not lit up green and then adjust the light stalk as necessary. Even when you're in automatic mode, always remember to pull the light stalk back when you are finished driving or when you have no need for high beams for an extended period of time. You may leave the automatic high beam button on while you drive, or turn it on and off as you please. That is all for today's video on how to operate the automatic high beams on your Toyota. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching.